Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. A key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swift Learn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all the practice tests are subjective as well as objective for your school examination. So students, those are new, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update. I'm Shashank Sir, and today I'll be teaching you the second part of the topic, Roman numerals. Yes. So in the last class, we studied about the rules used to write Roman numerals. So let's revise on them. So can you write this in Roman numerals? So yes. So 579. 5 is represented by V. Okay. So 500 is represented by D. 7 is represented by 50, 60, 70. So L double X and 9 IX. This is how you should write. Okay. So the Roman numerals. Next problem. Convert XLI into Hindu Arabic numeral. So it is not Hindi, it is Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay. So yes, X and L. See this. X represents 10 and L represents 50. So if a small number is before the large number, we need to subtract. Okay, so this represents 40 and this represents 1. So the answer is 41. 41 is the answer. Yes. Convert this into Hindu Arabic numbers. Triple CV. Okay, C represents 100, so we are allowed to repeat 3 times. So 100, 200, 300, and 5. 305 is the answer. So let's start today's topic, rules of subtraction. Okay, if a letter of smaller value is written to the left of a letter higher the value, then the value should be subtracted from the higher value, which we already did now in the example. Like, see, this is a smaller letter, this is a larger letter. If we subtract, we get a smaller letter. Yes, so XL. L represents 50, X represents 10. On the left side, it's a smaller letter, so we need to subtract it. 40. XLV. So X is a small letter, L is a large letter. So 50 minus 10 is 40 and 40 plus 5 is 45. Yes. So XLIX. X represents 10, L represents 50. So 50 minus 10 is 40. I is 1 and X is 10. Again, this is a small number. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So 40 plus 9 is 49. Now, based on rules of subtraction, let us write this. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, so XXIV. This represents 10, this represents 10, 1 and 5. So 24. CCIX. This represents 100, 100 and 9. 209 is the answer for this. Yes. 921 and 209. Yes. So the symbols V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. So 95 we cannot write this 100 minus 5. So VC. It is the wrong method. Okay, so VLD should not be written. You should not be used to subtract it. Okay, so symbol IXC are used for subtraction. Yes, I represents 1, X represents 10, C represents 100. Yes, these are the few examples which we were solving. So IXC can be used. So D represents 500, 500 minus 100 is 400. Okay, M represents 1000, 1000 minus 100 is 900. Okay, so 99. Yes, so be careful when you are solving numbers such as 440, 400, 4000, 990, 900, 9000. Okay, and their connecting numbers. So important points: Roman numeral 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10 only. Yes, Roman numeral 10 can be subtracted only from 50 and 500. Okay, 50 and 100. C represents 100. So 1 can be subtracted only from 5 and 10. 10 can be only subtracted from 50 and 100. 100 can be subtracted only from 1000 and 1000. Yes. If a smaller number is placed between two greater number, then it is always subtracted from the larger numeral to the right of it. Yes. LIX, I is the smaller number placed between two larger number. The right side number subtract 1. So L represents 50, 50 minus 9 is 59. CXL, L represents 50, 50 minus 10 is 40. Okay, so C is 100, so 140. Okay, so to multiply the value of numerical by 1000, a smaller bar called funiculum is put over the numerals. Therefore, 7 into 1000 is 7000. Okay, so put bar over it. That will represent 7000. Xi represents 9. What will be Ix? Ix will be 9000. Bar represents 1000. Okay, yes. Write the Roman numerals of the given number 229. Okay, so 200. 100 is represented by C, 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 and 29. How do you represent 20? X, X, 20, and Ix. 229. This is how we represent 229. Okay, would it been better if we represent like this? C, C, which represents 200, I which represents 2, and Xi. Okay, so this is the wrong way to write it, by the way. Okay, so follow the rules and all. This is the right answer. 200, 2519. How to write 2000? Split. See, M represents 1000. So 1000 into 1000 is 2000. Okay, now 500. How to write 500? We have a word for it, which is D, and 19. This represents 10 and this represents 9. So 19. This is the answer for 2519. Yes. The same thing. Write the Roman numerals for the given numbers 329. 100 is represented by C. So 3 times C and 29. Okay, so this is 10, this is 20, and this is 9. 924. How to represent 900? So 100 is represented by C. Subtract 10 is 900. This is 20 and this is 4. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now write the following in numbers. So check X and C. C represents 100, X represents 10. A smaller number is written to the left. So that means we need to subtract 100 minus 10 is 90 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So it is 90 plus 4, which is 94. This number represents 94. Yes. Hmm. MDCC. M represents 1000, D represents 500, and C represents 100. So 1000 plus 500 plus 600 plus 100. 1700. 1700. Let's play using Roman numerals. Operation on Roman numerals. So add this give me the answer in Roman numerals. Okay. So D represents 500, C represents 100, IX represents 9, which is 10 minus 1. So this is 609. Okay. Now MCC, C represents 100, M represents 1000. So 1100 and 1102. Now add them and write the answer in Roman numerals. So 609 plus 1100, 1102, 609. Add them, how much do you get? You get 1166, 11,603. Now represent this in Roman numerals. So write that in Roman numerals. How to write this? So just my advice. Okay, so 1000. Okay, why did I write 11,000? Okay, so yes, sorry, here there's a mistake here. So I didn't write 6 below the 1. So 1703, 1703. Now represent 1000, which is M. Represent 700. 700 is 500 plus 200. 500, 200, and this is 9, not 1, this is 9. So this will be 11. So 11 is nothing but 10 and 1. So this is how we write this. Okay? Yes. Find the sum of this and give the answer in Roman numerals. L triple X. L stands for 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay? So it is 80. And this is 6. 80 plus 6 is 86. How to write this in Roman numerals? So this is this represents 80 and this will represent 6 VI. Okay? Yes. Subtract Li from XCV. Write the answer in Roman numerals. L stands for 50, I stands for 1, so it is 51. XCV, X stands for 10, C stands for 100, so it is written before, so 100 minus 10 is 90, and this is 5, 95. Subtract them, how much do you get? You get 44. How to represent 44? 50 is represented by L, subtract 10, you get 40, and this is 4. This is how we write it in Roman numerals. Yes. Subtract Li from XCV. How much is Li? Li is 51. Subtract this from the bigger number XCV. C stands for 100. So 100 minus this is 90, 95. 95 minus 51 is 44. Oh, this we done. This we have done. Okay. Find the product of Roman numerals Ix and Xc. This is 9 and this is 90. Okay. So 90 times 9. 9 nines are 81. So 810. So 800. 800 is represented by 500, which is D plus 100 three times. DCC. This is 800. Now 10 is represented by X. D triple C. X is the answer. Find the product of the Roman numerals 9 into 90. This we have done just now. Okay. So 9 into 90, which is 810. Okay. I don't know why they gave this two times. Okay. So yes. See here also they have given two times. Okay. Divide this by this. Okay. So C double XV. C represents 100, 110, 120, 125. And XVV, X represents 10, 20, 25. Divide this. 25 5s are 125. 5 is represented by V. Divide CXV by XXV. Yes. So this we already did this just now. 125 by 25. We got the answer. So write the following in Roman numerals. 500. How to represent 500? 500 is represented by D. Okay. 10 is represented by X. 1 is represented by R. 82. 50 is represented by L. 60, 70, 80, 82. 764. 50 into 50 plus 10 plus 20 is 76. 60. Okay. So 50 is L again. Sorry, 50 is what is the letter used to represent 50? 50 is represented by the letter L. Okay, so 500 is represented by the letter D. So this is DXXL, which is 50X and IR. 1000 is written by the word M. This is this. Write the following in Roman numerals. Okay, we have written this. So the Roman numeral for 79 is. Okay, so this is ending with 9, this is ending with 9, only both of them maybe. This is not, this is not. Okay, 79. 70, this is 50, 60, 70 and 79. First one is the answer. Hindu Arabic numeral for XC. C represents 100. So 97. So option 4. Yes. 2 multiplied by what will give me 20? 2 multiplied by 10, which is X. Okay. So this answer is X. L triple X divided by this is 2. Okay. So exactly half of this. How much is that? L represents 50. 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 divided by 40. 40 can be written as X. L is 50 minus 10 is 40. So 80 by 40 is 2. These are the answers. Fill in the signs, this or equal to. So this is 19, 10, 19, 20. This is greater. Okay. MDC, MCD, multiplication थोड़ी ना है. M stands for 1000. Okay. C stands for 100. And D stands for 500. So 1000 plus 500 plus 100. It is 1600. This is 1600. Okay, this one. This is 1000. This is 100. This is 500. It is written before, so subtract 1400. Obviously, this is greater. CM. Okay, 1000 minus 100 is 900. This is CM and DCCL. D stands for 500, 600, 700, 800, 850. This is the greater number. Find the difference between these two numbers, XC. Okay, 100 minus 10, which is 90, and 10, 20, 35. 35. Okay, so 35, 45, 55. 55 is the answer. How to write this? 50, 50 is L and LB. Okay, there's a brand LV. वहां से तो नहीं चोरी किया उन लोगों ने ये symbol. Yes. So find the sum of this number. XLIV. X stands for 10. L stands for 50. So 10 minus 50 is 44. This is 44. 10, 20, 30, 38. Add them. You get 282. Find the difference. XC 90. Triple XV 90 minus 35. ये हमने already कर दिया है, which is 55. 50 is represented by L. Louis Vuitton. Yes. So what have we learned? What have we learned today? Today we have learned about rules of subtraction, operation on Roman numerals. That's all for today. So students, those are new, subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I am Shashank Sir signing off. Bye bye. Have a nice day, everyone.